In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Miro. Whether you're working on a complex project, brainstorming new ideas, or simply reviewing a board, being able to zoom in effectively allows you to see details more clearly and manage your workspace efficiently. I'll walk you through two straightforward methods to achieve this on different devices, so you can choose the one that best matches your setup and preference. Let's start with using a mouse. If you're on a Windows machine, you'll need to press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, you'll hold down the CMD key. As you hold the correct key, simply scroll up using the mouse wheel. You'll notice the screen zooming in smoothly, bringing the finer details of your Miro board into focus. This method is particularly handy if you have to zoom in incrementally, as you can precisely control how much you zoom in by the scrolling speed and distance of the wheel. It's a great option for those who prefer the tactile feel of a mouse and gives a granular level of control over your view on the board. Now let's move over to using a trackpad, which is common if you're on a laptop. For this method, you'll use a gesture known as the pinch to zoom. Place two fingers on the trackpad and gently pinch them outward, away from each other. This movement mirrors what you'd do on a smartphone or tablet, so if you're familiar with touchscreens, this should be an intuitive process. As you pinch outward, you'll see your view of the Miro board zoom in, revealing the intricate details of your workspace. When using these methods, keep in mind that Miro is designed for precision and ease of access. The transition in and out of different zoom levels is smooth, allowing you to enhance your view as needed without losing sight of the overall layout of your project. This flexibility is particularly beneficial when collaborating with others, as it ensures everyone can see both the broad overview and the specific details of your shared ideas or plans. A quick tip: practice makes perfect. Spend a few moments getting comfortable with these zooming techniques. By familiarizing yourself with these controls, you'll be able to navigate your boards with ease and confidence, making your work sessions more productive and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Miro, enhancing your productivity and collaboration. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to get the best out of your tools. Until next time, take care and happy zooming.